Going to be pretty obvious as you come straight into town that there are pictures everywhere. This is Tasmania's outdoor art gallery. Eagle's Nest Retreat, which is where we are. It's where my kids, who have all been born overseas, call home. So we understand what it is to come here and appreciate the ambience. What my dad was telling me probably all my youth and I wasn't listening was, this is world class and people are going to want to see this. In the 80s, the town really saw a revival. That revival was all centered around these murals, and what starts with one becomes two, and now you have many. My father was involved in Mural Fest, an idea again to make it bigger than just murals on the walls, but bring it alive, and for an event that could bring visitors into the region and artists and make it something that was culturally richer. I love just wandering myself. I love taking time to see the detail in them. I love the fact that that is a very tangible way of preserving the history of this area. That serenity that you hear behind us, it's really something unique that the Northwest has particularly. The biggest goal that we ever had was to bring families together, bring friends together, people together, and that resonates. They love the fact that they unplug. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no distractions, there's no reason not to be just communicating and enjoying the space. So for us, when we get comments like that, we're just like, we've succeeded.